This is TrueGrip, Craig's hydraulic pin grabber coupler with minimal moving parts and a streamlined single-cylinder design. It delivers consistent performance with every pickup, clean, fast, and built to last. Compatible with attachments for most major OEMs in the same size class, TrueGrip gives your machine full flexibility on the job. Its compact build keeps your geometry tight, providing industry-leading height reduction with minimal loss of breakout force. Dual independent locks secure the attachment at both ends, front and back, so even if hydraulic pressure is lost, the attachment stays locked in place. TrueGrip also handles forward and reverse pickup with ease, without compromising rotation or control. A built-in debris shield protects the coupler's internals, cutting down on material buildup and extending service life. And with no greasing required, maintenance is practically effortless. Inside the cab, an adjustable timer box lets operators engage and disengage with precise timing to suit the task. Proudly made in Canada and the USA, Craig has been trusted across North America for 80 years. Ask your dealership about TrueGrip today.